This week I'm going to talk about how you get a profitable customer for life from a puncture repair. Hey, this is Chris. Welcome back to the show. It's been great to be at the Mechanic show this week, and I filmed loads of bits when I was down there, so we'll create some videos, and if we were talking to you at the Mechanic show either on the stand or you might have been there promoting your business, we'll get some of those out onto the socials over the next few days, so thank you so much. This week on the show I want to talk about how you can take a puncture repair to a profitable customer for life, and this is so simple to do, and I think even garages that have MOT Manager or looking into it or are considering it will not really have thought about this simple process that really is a must. So I've talked about a few of these analogies on different videos and at different times and in different conversations, but I want to put this together into a timeline, and this for me would really work for you. And if you can think of this analogy from the start point, then you will see it through to the end. So a car pulls up at the garage with a puncture. They're trying to get somewhere. Obviously they want a puncture repair doing quickly, and often you will free someone up to go and do the puncture repair. So you do the puncture repair on the car, 10 or 15 pounds. The customer's happy to pay you. They might have cash. They might want to tap their card. And that is where that could end if you don't do one thing. So when this customer comes in with the puncture repair, in your MOT Manager system, pop in their reg, pop in their name, and pop in their mobile number. They may be an existing customer, but they very well will be a new customer. So now they leave after their puncture repair, but because you put just those 3 bits of information in and nothing else, they now get an MOT reminder from you in 3 or 4 months' time. They come back for their MOT, and it costs quite a few £100 to fix the car, get it roadworthy, and really look after them and make the car great from needing a few things doing. So you get £400 or £500 in MOT repairs. It might be less, it might be more. This time we send the customer their next reminder, which is an MOT and service reminder. We can automate all this. So next time they get an MOT and service reminder. If you want to, some garages, for instance, will offer free MOT with a higher end service. You don't have to do that, but you do have those options. So now the customer's had the puncture repair. They've been in for the MOT, which costs quite a little bit of money to pass, but they're happy with that because their car is really roadworthy. They've now come in and had an MOT and service. So we do the MOT and service. What we realise when doing the service and having a look at the car and talking to the customer about their usage, they're going to need a cambelt in 6 months' time. So now we go in and set them a cambelt reminder for 6 months' time, which literally takes a couple of seconds to do. They're going to get that in between now and their next MOT. They come in, you repair the cambelt. They're so pleased because this has made sure they're not getting a costly repair if that cambelt breaks. And then, of course, 6 months later, they're back in for another MOT. So because they came in to the garage, pulled up on the forecourt with a puncture repair, and all you did was put their reg, name, and mobile, which took a few seconds, just those few seconds, got you an MOT with profitable repair work, an MOT and service, a cambelt, and then MOTs ongoing. So that one customer has now become a regular customer. There's every chance that they've also told their wife or their husband to bring their car along because they're so impressed with the service. So not only have you got that customer, they're now telling other people, you want to go to these guys, they're so on the ball. They even told me when I need my cambelt. So that is all you need to do. The start point is just reg, mobile, and name. Everything else we can automate for you. Get in touch. I can show you how simple this is. This is really simple stuff. It just becomes a habit. It's so simple to do. It's just getting into that habit of every time someone comes in, putting their reg and their name and their mobile in, everyone gets behind it. Everything else is automated and you get to turn a little job like a puncture repair into a profitable customer for life. Get in touch. I would love to hear from you, and I really would like to work with you over the next few months and years.